This is day 119, and today we are looking at how we can visualize data in Excel using 3D maps. And as you can see, it makes maps much more visible and regional data much more visible. For example, here you can clearly see where you have big numbers in particular region and in particular areas, and you can have different views. Like you can see, I have switched from a much more closer view to an eagle's eye view, where you can see the whole country. We are looking at the crimes that were committed in Atlanta since 2009 to 2017. You can see the heat map here that the crimes are there is a high density of crime in this particular area, which looks like a town, or there is a mall there around that area. And you can also see you can switch between different views. You can rotate and see your map, and you can actually take a tour and send this document to your user, and the user will just play the scene and see exactly what you are trying to annotate and illustrate. So this is quite a beautiful view. And if you switch from, for example, if you have data, for example, sales by region, sales by area, and you show to someone like this, they can easily see and visualize where you want them to focus on. For example, here I'm a little bit more focusing now on the closer look of this particular area here. You can see that this is an area with the highest number of crime rates. And if we then go closer, you can see I'm now showing that it's on Lennox Mall. There is the Lennox Mall there, which is the one with the highest number of crimes there growing there. You can put images, you can put notes, you can put messages to show to your users as well. And you can see this is sort of like the CBD where there are a lot of crimes. And what is quite strange here, you can see there is just an isolated area which have quite a number of crimes as well, and these are the isolated areas. So this can help you to visualize your data much easily and be able to pick up some unusual trends quickly in your data. So I'm going to demonstrate how to actually do this, to build this map, and how to actually then map your data across and to create the scenes in Excel. So what I've done is I've used Power Query to gather the data, and I've then used the 3D maps to present it. So watch out for my next video where I'm going to actually demonstrate step by step on how to create these scenes and how to create this map. Thank you. Bye bye.